Hello, hello, babies! Hello! Good morning, everyone! Today we are going to review the irregular verbs, okay? So please pay attention. Remember, eyes are watching, ears are listening, and brain is thinking. Don't forget to study those verbs, okay? And repeat at home. So we have the irregular verbs. Irregular verbs change completely. Okay, so here we have some examples. The past of see, saw. See, saw. Say with me. See, saw. Drink, drunk. Drink, drunk. Seat, seat, sat, seat, sat, seat, sat. Run. The past of run is run. Run, run. Run, run. Give, give, gave, give, gave, give, gave. Go, go, went, go, went. The past of sleep, slept, sleep, slept, sleep, slept. And the past of be, was or were, was or were. Was it's for singular and were it's for plural. Was and were. Okay, very good, guys. See you in our next class. Have a nice day.